Alright, headlight removal, Pontiac G6. Already took this one out, but it's the same on both sides, so we're replacing the entire unit because that one burnt up. This one's full of water. Well, let's get after it. Turn this wheel out of our way. All right. So these fitments are not the best, but let's see. We're gonna pull this front bumper back a bit. This may be push pins. This may have been replaced, but this has 10 mils all the way down this wheel liner. Just like so. But that may be push pins on the standard one. Let's see here. We'll come up here, take these push pins out on the top side. Make sure we have plenty of room. Push pins out. Now this should be able to pull back. Yep. Now there's 2 7 mils on the top side. Viola. Then you just pull straight forward. Plug down here. It's got one tab you pull up. I don't know if you can see that. Pull it up, pull it apart. Headlight out. And gone. Looks like we got a driver's side here. Perfect. Press this plug in. Got these headlights from old Certifit, so we'll see how this goes. Okay. That headlight is in. Side that was full of water was previously also a Certifit / Certifit headlight, so it makes sense. Well, you cannot argue the price. Get that clicked in. All right. front bumper back up. Get all these push pins back in. Push pins are in. Back to the 10 mil. Bam. Pretty ballsy move there. Didn't even test them, but you know, I have faith. One on, two on. There we go. Heck yeah. Leave it running this time. Get this shit out of here, just in case. I took these two out down here on this one because I didn't know any better. Pretty sure this one actually goes up here, so we're gonna take this out now. This guy out. So this looks more correct to me. So I think on a standard G6, you're gonna have this 10mm with this little like spacer built onto it. That's gonna come up right here. You're gonna have to remove that, like so. And then these should be push pins, I believe. They've been swapped for 10mm, which are honestly probably better, but voila. You have new headlights.